Hello everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. I am sure you can tell just from my voice that I am sick at the moment. So I wanted to put a little disclaimer at the beginning of the video that our processing times are going to be 2 weeks. If you currently have an open order, processing times are up to 2 weeks right now. Our mom is actually getting dental surgery today, and she usually helps with orders, so she's not going to be able to help this week, probably for the next couple of weeks actually. So I'm going to be the only one in office. So that is why I'm just going to be extending processing times up to 2 weeks. Yeah, I did want to give a little heads up as to what is currently going on. Hopefully I get better soon. We luckily pre-recorded our podcast episode. We actually had one go out today that announces our foiling e-course. So we are releasing a foiling e-course. I won't talk about it too much just because my voice is like not it today. But if you want to learn more, definitely check out our Instagram, check out our newest podcast episode. We did a little Q&A on all of your most asked foiling questions. We also have a video going up later this week that is all about troubleshooting for foiling stickers, so stay tuned for that. But I wanted to pop on today to share with you this week's $2 Tuesday collection. As you can see by all these stickers, we have new summer floral watercolor deco as well as journaling kits that I'm super excited about. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. So I believe we have 5 new journaling kits for $2 Tuesday this week. And then for each collection, we have matching deco sheets. So every sheet is $2 each, which is an amazing deal, especially for these journaling kits. They are usually just under $5. So $2 this week until Thursday. I think last time when we did it for the spring floral collection, we actually sold out. So this time we do have extra, which is awesome. So before I do the flip through, we do have it available in 2 different sticker papers. So I have it here in the transparent matte, but we also have it available in our Luxe Premium Matte, which is a really nice and thick vinyl sticker. I think the Luxe Premium Matte does sell a little bit faster than the transparent matte, so just a little heads up. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the flip through. So this first one is called Spring into Summer. That is what this collection is called. So we have the deco sheet. Comes with lots of floral bouquets, little individual flowers, some greenery. And then we also have the boxes page. So these are so beautiful. Then we have the journaling kit, which is just a single page, but it comes with a whole lot. So you get some torn pieces of paper. We have like a little floral stamp, some watercolor boxes, these little like, I don't know what they're called, just little quotes, and then some washi strips. You have this little Polaroid cutout. The middle is actually cut out, so it is like a frame. And then you also get some more floral bouquets. And then these 2 are little faux wax seals, which I think are so cute. So that is the journaling kit. This one is spring to summer. Moving on to the next one, we have Santorini. So this one comes with 3 sheets of floral. So we have the Floral Deco. We have the toppers, floral borders. You get a whole bunch. And then we have the frames. This is the journaling kit. I absolutely love this one. I love the little tile pattern. It really does remind me of Greece. We have all the gorgeous blues in this kit. So that is Santorini. Moving on to the next one. This one is called Coral, and it has a lot of coconuts and palm leaves. So that is the Deco. This one's a little bit more of a muted color palette. So here are the toppers. These would be so pretty to layer with days of the week stickers. Then we have the frames. Here is the journaling kit. Again, this one is just so like muted and very calm, gives me calm vibes. So I love this one. It honestly reminds me of like a cloudy beach day, which we definitely have June gloom days here in San Diego, where it's just like cloudy, but it's still, you know, summer, so it's not cold. Next up, we have sunny days. So this is contrast from the previous one. So here is the Floral Deco. I love all of the little wildflowers in this one, especially like the little blue flowers. They're so cute and pretty. Here are the floral toppers. Sorry if you can hear our neighbor's dog. I have the door open right now, so you can probably hear them barking. Here are the frames. This one is just so colorful. Here is the journaling kit. A little close-up. I love the watercolor hearts in our journaling kits. Look at how cute this little like Polaroid frame is. I just absolutely love the little washi tape. So cute. And this quote says, "Let your soul shine." I believe they're all a little bit different. So like this one, "Believe you can." This is the Bluebell collection. So we have the Floral Deco, the date toppers, and these are actually hydrangeas. So pretty. We have the front of our house has like a row of hydrangeas, and when they bloom, they are so colorful and beautiful. They're like pink, purple, blue, all different colors. It's honestly so gorgeous. Then we have the frames. And then last but not least, the journaling kit. Again, if you love blues, this kit is for you. It's so gorgeous. So that is Bluebell. Also have this set of florals. I don't think we have a journaling kit that matches with this one. This is actually the same florals from our Countryside weekly kit. So this is the Floral Deco sheet. We have our date toppers. And then here are the frames. So cute, there's a little butterfly here. So that is the Countryside Deco. But yeah, that is everything that we have for $2 Tuesday this week. We will have a entire collection listing, so if you just want to grab the whole collection, you can easily do that. But yeah, I hope you guys love this collection. I'm so excited for these new florals. We actually are releasing matching floral washi tapes this Friday, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great Monday and a great rest of your week, and I will see you in our next video. Bye!